In GitOps, the desired state lives in Git, but the thing that's actually broken lives in your cluster. So you spend your day switching between Argo CD and your cluster and losing your place every single time. Now Lens Kubernetes IDE speaks Argo CD and there is nothing to configure. Lens detects the Argo CRDs on the cluster and the Argo CD section appears on its own with your applications, application sets, projects, and the repositories and the clusters Argo CD is wired to. So the dashboard opens on one question: is my fleet healthy? So in here I have 7 applications, all of them are synced, but only 6 are healthy and 1 is degraded. At a glance you can see in the cards your applications, application sets and projects, and in the needs attention column you can see only the applications that have problems. So in here I have only 1, and if I click on it we can see its properties, summary, source, destination, sync policy, managed resources, last operation, history and events. If we scroll back up we can see the repository, so we can click on it. So let's now fix the issue. So let's go to manifest, nginx pod and pod.yaml. And we can see here we have a problem with the image. So let's change that. We need to have this with a single E. And let's commit the changes, propose them, and create a new branch. Now let's create the pull request. And let's just merge it, confirm the merge, and then just delete the branch. So now I'm back in Lens and you can see that all my applications are healthy, and we can see in the recent activity the events that have happened for our nginx pod application, and we can see its status was updated from sync to out of sync. It initiated an automated sync. The updated sync status was from out of sync changed to synced, and we can see the app health has changed from degraded to healthy. You can also do Argo CD actions directly from Lens, so let's click on the sync button. In here you'll see all of your Argo CD applications. You can actually filter them by name, so let's do nginx for example. So you can click on them right here and then click on the sync button. You can also select all of them if you want, and you can also prune resources that are not in Git. Then you can also do application refreshes, and you can select if you want them normal or hard. So hard is actually clearing Argo CD's cache manifest as well. If you want to open the Argo CD UI, you can just click this button. And this will redirect you to your Argo CD instance, and you'll see here all of your applications. If you go to the applications view, you can see the name of your applications, their namespaces where they were deployed to, their sync status, their health, the project they are into, and the destination. So any of these resources can be handed to your AI assistant to get more information about them. So now your Argo CD and your Kubernetes clusters are all available in a single window. Argo CD support is available in Lens Plus Pro and Enterprise, and you can download it at lenshq.io.